Anna was a young student. She lived in a small town. Every morning, Anna woke up late. She always said, "I have plenty of time." Anna loved to watch TV. She loved to play games on her phone. Time is not important, she thought. Anna believed tomorrow would always come. One day, Anna had a big test. She needed to study for 3 hours. But Anna watched TV instead. She played games on her phone. "I will study later," Anna said. The hours passed quickly. Anna looked at the clock. It was already midnight. She felt worried. She felt sad. Where did my time go? Anna asked herself. She had wasted her whole day. Anna went to bed without studying. The next morning, Anna failed her test. Her teacher was disappointed. Her parents were sad. Anna walked home slowly. She met an old woman in the park. The woman was feeding birds. "You look unhappy," the old woman said. Anna told her story. The woman listened carefully. Then she spoke softly. "Child, time is like water in your hands. If you don't hold it carefully, it flows away. Every minute is a gift. Every hour is precious. You cannot buy time back." Anna understood. Time was precious. Time was limited. Anna changed her life that day. She woke up early. She studied hard. She stopped wasting time on her phone. Anna learned to plan her day. She learned to use time wisely. Now Anna was happy. Now Anna was successful. She remembered the old woman's words every day.